How's everybody doing? Another very sunny day, but today we're cutting our first tomato. Maybe I'll leave it one more day. They're starting to get red. Everybody up here in Quebec and Ontario, they tripped out why their tomatoes weren't getting red. But like I said in the previous videos, because when it's too hot, the plant shuts down. So when the plant shuts down, the ripening the tomatoes shut down as well. But tomato plants are doing very well. We have some really big, nice tomatoes. No cracks, no nothing. No blemishes. Pretty good. But you could tell where the heat started. See these buds up here? Forget it. Maybe these ones, but so my leaves on the bottom are still green. Some, yeah, they got a little beaten up from the weather, from the water and everything, and from not having too much sunlight. But basically they're all looking good, so there's no need to freak out. Cut, and cut. Leave the poor tomato alone. Yeah, but I see her like, getting old. I know my plants very well. You see all around, starting to change color. I fed them once, 7 days when I put them in the soil. Then after 7 days I threw some more. I throw it all around. I throw it all around. I don't go near at all to the roots. I'm really far away. You see, I have some roots coming out. That's from watering and watering. Anyways, we'll fix that. Cover them up a little bit. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. The little tomato. I don't know if you guys can see it. A nice little bud on the top. It's in the shade. So and then I don't fertilize at all. Beans are coming. That one I'm cutting. What do we have? Oh, we have a nice zucchini. A little one coming up. Another one with its flower. Peppers are starting. Today we're gonna cut this one. I'm not gonna let her get any bigger. Yeah, I cut the bottom leaves. I didn't want any fungal diseases. On this side they're doing pretty well. Very nice tomatoes. This one is full. I don't know if you can catch. But now we're gonna wait for these 100 days You see, no joke, 100 days. But I already cut 2 of them. Peppers are doing okay. That one got a little bit damaged. That one on the ground I'm gonna cut. Where is it? I don't know if you guys can see it because of the shade. Yeah, so everything is pretty good. But zucchinis, like, I got fed up. Little flowers. And that's it. I'm gonna come and cut. I'm gonna go cook, edit the video, show you the update, and I don't know. If I do something tonight, I'll take you with me. I'm gonna cut those beans. Maybe I'll cut them now and put them in an omelet or something. Pretty happening. Oh, there's another one hanging there. But I put them too close together. I'm surprised nothing went down here. Anyways, I'll catch you back. That was a little update. And to keep them disease free, you gotta like check all your other plants if they have anything. Like that leaf has to go. You guys can see. Anything that has any spots like this thing over here. Where is it? Right over here. Has to go. So I gotta come out and do a few things later. And maybe go for a little ride for exercise. So have a nice one for now. Maybe I'll catch you later, maybe not. Keep on gardening. And have a nice time with it. Have a beautiful day for now.